Okay, so polynomial long division is something where we're going to have a situation where, say, 2x squared plus 5x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay. Now, before we get to the long division of polynomials, let's review long division in general here. So, right, in this case, I have 102 divided by 4. So the question becomes, how many times does 4 go into 100? Or sorry, go into 1? Well, it doesn't. But how many times does it go into 4? Well, if I get it evenly, it'd be awesome, but it really goes in twice. So I do 2 times 4, that's 8, and I subtract out that 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2, and then I drop the next digit down. So the question begins again. How many times does 4 go into 22? Well, it goes in 5 times. So 5 times 4 is 20. When I subtract those, I get a remainder of 2. Okay? And since I'm done with digits there, I would stop there and say that it's going 25 and 2/4, or 25 and a half times. Okay? Which makes sense because 25 times 4 is going to be 100, and then 4 times 1/2 is going to be 2, so 102 is that same thing we started with. So I'm going to follow the same principles when I do polynomial long division over here. So 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. Okay? So it's slightly different because I can actually get the first term to cancel out by asking myself, x times what is going to be 2x squared? That would be 2x, right? So I do the same process. 2x times x, that's 2x squared. But since there's two terms, I got to distribute that 2x to both of them. So minus 2x. Okay? And just like we did over there, I need to subtract out the entire expression. Okay? These cancel out, and I'm left with 5x over, this becomes positive 2x, so 7x. There's no digits to drop down, so I'll just drop down the next term. And then I start the process again. X times what is going to be 7x? Well, it's 7. So 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 1 is going to be negative 7. And I subtract those things out. Okay? These will cancel. This becomes positive 7 plus 1, so that's 8. And just like I did with the remainder over there, I'm going to put this as plus 8 over x minus 1. Okay? And that's it for polynomial long division. Done the same way every time there. Okay? We'll take a look at an exception in the next video here, like how do you deal with it if you're missing one of those terms, whether it's in the divisor or the dividend there. Okay? But hopefully this helps.